The Tram Priority Communication System, TPCS, is a wireless, flexible and cost-effective communication system for trams in large public transit networks. TPCS is used for activating trackside functions at designated positions. The TPCS consists of 6 components: the RFID antenna, the onboard control unit, the RFID tag, the radio antenna, the radio modem, and the cabinet control unit. The RFID antenna is mounted under the tram, and the onboard control unit is mounted in a cabinet inside the tram. RFID tags are mounted in the track, either in a drilled hole in the ground or in a wooden block mounted on a sleeper. The driver selects the direction with the route selection buttons. When the RFID antenna is passing, the RFID tag is read by the onboard control unit. Via the radio antenna mounted on the roof of the tram, an encrypted message is sent to the cabinet control unit. The message contains the RFID tag ID number, the tram's identity, and the driver's route selection. The message is received and decrypted by the radio modem and forwarded to the cabinet control unit, which then interfaces with the control systems. These may include a point controller, a traffic light controller, a gate controller, or a depot controller. If the cabinet control unit is connected to a network, log entries are also sent to a central log server. The Tram Priority Communication System is wireless, efficient, and proven.